Before we start, don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And of course, thank you for sharing my YouTube videos. Last time, we discussed about the fraction concept and its different parts. On this video, we're going to learn about the different kinds of fractions. A fraction has three kinds. And what are those? The first one is a proper fraction. A fraction in which the numerator is less than the denominator is called a proper fraction. When we say less than, it means smaller than. A fraction in which the numerator is more than the denominator is called a proper fraction. Remember that it is a fraction less than 1 whole. For example, this calamansi is cut into 2 equal parts. And each part is 1/2 of a calamansi. 1/2 and another 1/2. 1/2 is less than the 1 whole calamansi. Therefore, 1/2 is a proper fraction. Again, proper fraction when the numerator is less than the denominator. Another example. What is this? This center is divided into equal parts. And each part is 1/4 of a centol. 1/4, another 1/4, and another 1/4, and 1/4. If I shade 3 parts of it, the fraction will be 3/4 or 3/4. Let us see. 3 is less than 4. 3 is a numerator and 4 is the denominator. So 3 is less than 4. And the symbol for that is like that. Thus we say 3/4 is a proper fraction. Again, proper fraction when the numerator is less than the denominator, or the numerator is smaller than the denominator. We call it as a proper fraction. 1/2 and 3/4 are all less than 1 whole. So they are called as a proper fraction. Another kind of fraction is the improper fraction. A fraction in which the numerator is greater than to the numerator. A fraction which the numerator is greater than the denominator is called an improper fraction. Again, numerator is greater than the denominator. When we say greater, it is bigger. The numerator is bigger than the denominator. For example, 8 over 3 or 8 thirds. 8 as a numerator and 3 as a denominator. 8 is greater than 3. And for the symbol looks like that. 8 greater than 3. Thus we say 8 over 3 is an improper fraction. Remember that the value of an improper fraction will be more than 1 whole. As we look at the figure, a circle is divided into 3 parts. A circle is colored into 3 parts. And we have to shade 8 parts. So we need another whole and color it into 3 parts to satisfy the 8 as shaded parts. Then we can now shade a part of it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Therefore, 8 over 3 is an example of improper fraction. Ooh, it looks yummy. We have another example here. We have a whole pizza. And it shows 4 over 4 or 4/4. If I ate one part of it and another one part and another one part, the total I ate 4 parts of it. 4 parts is equal to a number equal slices. 4 over 4 is equal to 1 whole. So 4 over 4 is an example of improper fraction. If the numerator is equal to the denominator, is an example of improper fraction. And for the third kind of fraction is the mixed fraction or mixed numbers. Mixed fractions is also referred to as a mixed numbers. Is the sum of a natural number and a proper fraction. And what is a natural number and a proper fraction? Let us see. So remember, the mixed fraction or mixed number is the combination of a whole number and a fractional part. It means natural number is a whole number part, and the proper fraction is the Another term for that is the fractional part. So mixed number again is a combination of a whole number and a fractional part. So let's have an example. Look at these circles. Let us see the 3 circles. The first and second circles are completely shaded or colored. So it makes one pool. One pool for the first circle and one pool for the second circle. And for the third circle, it shows a 2/3. 2 shaded parts over 3. When added together, we get, okay, what is the sum for that? When we add it together, 1 plus 1 plus 2/3 is equal to 2 and 2/3. 2 and 2/3. Let us read this as 2 and 2/3. This 2/3 represents a mixed number. And 1 whole plus 1 whole or equal to 2 whole numbers is called a natural number or whole number. And 2/3 is a fractional part. Specifically, it is an example of proper fraction. Again, 2 and 2/3 is an example of mixed number or mixed fraction. Remember, mixed number is a combination of natural number and a fractional part. So let's have an example of mixed number. Let us read 5 and 1/3. 5 and 1/3. 6 and 2/5. 8 and 3/4. 7 and 5/9. We can read those fractions in a different way. So that's all. For the next video, we will study about the changing of one kind of a fraction into another kind of fraction. We will study of how to convert the improper fraction into mixed number and vice versa using of these different kinds of fraction. So that's all. Thank you. And of course, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video. See you again.